All right, today is the 13th of January, 2022. This is the NQE Mini, which is the NASDAQ. And I went ahead and traded to the upside at, the first 5-minute candle. I bought it, lost $100, and I was done. So I thought about trading it to the downside, and the first entry point would have been right here, and I'll show you why. After this slow stochastic crosses the red line, which is 50%. RSI is the 50% red line too, and then the MACD, everything's pointing down. So what I'd like to do is, if I'm going to trade short, I like to have some kind of a pullback with at least one green candle, maybe two. And at this point, it would have been right here, sell short below that low. But the only problem is you got to put your stop above this candle, and that's so you can take a lot of heat that way. I didn't have the resources. In fact, with Top Step Trader, who I'm funded with, I'm not allowed to have over $1,000 loss, and that would have, if I'd gone above that, it'd been $1,000 loss. So the next place to have done it is, well, actually, you had a 1, 2, 3 reversal. You have 1, 2, 3, and on this one, I did not get long. I just said it was still too bearish. If you look over here, it's just the slow stochastic was down in this area. So I just held off, and let's get back over here. All right, but if it makes the 1, 2, 3 and fails, what I've noticed is it's usually a good place to short it below that low, which it turned out to be. You could have gotten a lot of points in there. Now you don't want to short it down in this. You got to have some room up here, so where it's tried to go back up. And here's another 1, 2, 3. So you got the 1, 2, and 3. This one I actually did get in on, and I bought it above here at 96.5, I think it was, or 96, and it went up, I think, to 13 or whatever. But I had my take profit at 20 points and didn't get a hit, but I moved my stop up and I didn't lose any money. But here would have been the place to sell it again short, because that low right there, this low over here is still above it, and once it broke through, it went down another. You could have gotten another 50 points. So that's just something to think about. I don't like trading to the short side. I know the market is crazy right now. Everybody's talking about it crashing and everything else. This still remains to be seen. I think the market is its own animal. I've seen the dumps before. 87, I saw it in 2001. And for weeks. Sometimes it's only 1 week, but it'll dump hard, and sometimes it's 3 months. So anyway, that's just something I wanted to have this for my own reference, really, to come back to, of when not to trade or just to sit on the sideline. So I took a $100 loss today. I'm okay with that, and I will be back at it tomorrow and just to watch the market and see what happens. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate a thumbs up. I know it didn't give you any trading advice or any action or any of that kind of stuff, but it's just something that went on and what I observed today. Thanks for watching, and good trading.